How to use keywords in Google Business Profile for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. This is the Appliance Experts. Today we're talking about how to use keywords in Google Business Profile for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. So let's briefly go through the rundown of what we're talking about. 1. Optimizing your Google Business Profile. Here we talk about optimizing your HVAC or appliance repair Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile, GBP, is a free online listing for your business. It's also a way for your customers to find you. Having a complete and accurate profile is an easy way to ensure that your business appears before your competition. We also explain how to optimize a business profile to target certain keywords. 2. How to choose Google Business Profile category. Here we talk about choosing a Google Business Profile category, one of the most important factors in ranking your business. The right category helps customers find your business, and it can also help you connect with the right people. However, it can be tricky to choose the category that is most appropriate for your business. Our article explains how to go about it, choosing the most appropriate category for your GBP to boost keyword visibility on Google. 3. Adding keywords to your Google business description. If you are getting fewer people visiting your business's Google My Business profile, you might need to add keywords to your profile. This can help improve your search engine rankings. You can add up to 5 keywords to your listing. 4. Google Business Profile Q&A Keyword Optimization. Here we talk about boosting conversions with Google Business Profile Q&A. The Google Business Profile Q&A is a feature on the Google Maps interface that lets searchers ask questions about your business. This section is free to use and helps you build customer relationships. Users can upvote the answers they like, and you can respond to questions. This helps ensure that your profile is accurate. It's also a great way to boost conversions. 5. Great Google Business Profile Posts Tips to maximize visibility. If you want to attract new customers, you should optimize your Google Business Profile. You can do this through a variety of methods, but one of the most effective is posting regularly. This will help your ranking signals go upwards. 6. Getting Google Business Profile reviews to boost mentions and trust. When it comes to digital marketing, getting Google Business Profile reviews can have a significant impact on your bottom line. These reviews can show customers that your business is legit and that they can trust your service. Plus, they are a good way to attract future customers. 7. Use Google Business Profile products and services. Here we talk about how to use Google Business Profile to promote your products and services. Google Business Profile services and products for local businesses. What are GBP Services? What is GBP Products? Google Business Profile is a great way for businesses to showcase their products and services. It also provides valuable insights into the local audience and helps customers find your business more easily. Adding your products and services to your Google Business Profile can give you an edge over the competition. For example, your products and services can appear in the Google Local Finder and in Google Shopping, while they can also show up in your Google My Business listing. You will also be able to learn more from other posts related to Google Business Profile optimization. Finally, make sure to get your free digital marketing review session. To learn more about what we are talking about in this latest article, make sure to check for the link in the description below. The article is going to be on our blog, and we also will post videos on our YouTube channel. Hope you found this information useful, and we will talk to you soon.